Our short phrase and sentence today is Nri dịkwa ebe a, which means food is available here. We offered kola nut on day 5. Now we are offering food. What will be the response of our visitor? He will say, Ọ dị mma imeela. Ọ dị mma imeela, which means it's okay. Thanks. Remember, we are following this trend. We've received our visitor. We offered kola the first day, and today we are offering food. And when we do, we say, Nri dịkwa ebe a, which means food is available. And we expect our visitor to say, Ọ dị mma imeela, which means it's okay. Thank you. If you also go to someone's house or place and you are offered food, the same response is what is expected of you. Ọ dị mma imeela. Don't forget to observe the color of the words that make up the sentence because they identify their meanings. And as you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video so that we know how to serve you better. God bless you.